Hindi nakapagpigil si Senator Bato de la Rosa at diretsahang sinupla ang mga tauhan ng AB sa gitna ng isang mainit na pagdinig sa Senado. Ayon sa ulat, nagkaroon ng matinding sagutan ng questionin ng senador ang otoridad at proseso ng naturang ahensya. Hindi rin nagpahuli si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na umalma sa naging pahayag ng mga opisyal ng AB, na lalong nagpadagdag sa tensyon sa loob ng session hall. Kasabay nito, lumabas ang issue tungkol sa pagpayag umano ni Soto na pamasukin o bigyan ng malawak na laya ang AB sa loob ng Senado, bagay na ikinagalit ng ilang mga mambabatas. Nagkagulo ang mga dumalo sa hearing nang magpalitan ng maaanghang na salita ang magkabilang panig. Ito na ba ang simula ng lamat sa pagitan ng lehislatibo at ng mga law enforcement agencies? Manatiling nakatutok dahil tiyak na hindi dito magtatapos ang banggaan ng mga dambuhala sa gobyerno.
News 5, yung payatot na maliit na mukhang ulit ba? Napaka-harsh mo naman magsalita, PH. Tagal na tayong gigil dyan sa may Anlos Baños na yun eh.
Pakita!
Oh.
Ngayon,
Oh.
papakita ko dito. Pinara ko ngayon kay. Nag-sling ako doon. Sugat-sugat ako.
Oh. Bigyan mo ng finger yung mga ano na yan, yung mga taga-media, mga bayarang media. Oh.
Pasok!
Oh.
Let's go!
Oh, yan.
Wala sila! Wala silang respeto!
Walang respeto.
Sa institusyon ng Senado!
Mga siraulo yung mga ano, yung maarang kay Senator Bato, mga siraulo.
Ganun ang NBI!
Oh, NBI, Melvin Matibag, isubti na. Ipatawag sa Senado. Ikulong yan. Oh, nga kayo ha.
Ano pong plano niyo, sir, sa ginawa sa inyo, sir?
Oh. Si Mayan Los Baños yun, malitang boses eh.
Usap ko eh. Gagawin namin.
But why are you here, sir?
Oh, di ba? Etong nakakatawa kay Mayan Los Baños. So, but why are you here, Senator? Mga walang kapararakang tanong, anak ng Petrang Garapata, sa kahaba-haba ng panahon, yung Mayan Los Baños na yan, na taga News 5, mayat nagtatanong kung nasan si Senator Bato. Nung nakita niya, but why are you here, Senator? Si Raulo ka ba, Mayan?
Kung kayo napapasok today, sir.
Ayaw masilang doon ko sa Republic. Kung hindi mo papasok, kinaharap niyo ako.
Oh. Yan ang problema. Search nyo, Mayan Los Baños. Yung maliit na maitim na mukhang ulikba na reporter ng News 5. Yan ho, mayat-maya naghahanap kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ngayong nakita mo na, tinatanong mo, ba't nandiyan siya? Si Raulo ka ba, Mayan?
Diba? Eh, mapasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako, bakit ako pumapasok?
Yan. Oh.
But sir, may kinala.
Para mga maliliit na bata na sinero mo na ni Sen Bato. Baratan mo, Sen. Palakpakan. Let's go. Medyo nag-iinit tayo ngayon. Ito mga gusto ko. Kanina ko kasi medyo inaantok tayo eh. Yung huling upload natin kanina, ano pa yun eh. Parang kagabi pa ata yung video na yun. Nakalimutan natin in-upload. Kanina ho natin in-upload. Nung nakita natin itong si Senator Bato, medyo nag-init yung kalamnan natin. Kaya, matindi to. Ito mga gusto ko. Lately kasi nakakaantok eh. Hindi kong, impeachment, walang bilang. Antok. Ito gusto ho natin.
Kailangan sa pag-booster para makabuo ng numbers po.
Lahat yan, trabaho ng senador.
Anong pakialam mo? May Anlos Baños. Mag-senador ka para wala ka maraming pinapakalam. Nangya ka. Nung wala siya ba to, hanap ka ng hanap. Nung nakita mo siya, bakit siya nandiyan? Si Raulo ka ba? Wala na. Wala na.
Negosyo sa amin sa grupo namin dito sa session hall na sabi niya mag-uusap tayo kung may mga dalawang community ang pagkain natin kasi sa ABG para po sa parang mga mga solution sa ABG. Ngayon sa Senator de la Rosa, nakikita namin
Ang problema nyo dito, kayo mga taga-media, mumulong nga kayo. Ang Senate President ngayon, ang magpipreside dyan sa impeachment ni BP Sara kung sakaling makapunta dyan, si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Ang magbo-Blue Ribbon Committee Chairperson, Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Ngayon salubuhin nyo, ngayon dapat busy kayo sa paghahanap ng naratibo kung paano nyo pipihitin yung mga nangyayari sa Senado. Mawala nga kayo mga bayarang media kayo. Ayun. Kanya kayo ha.
Ang sinasabi ng ebidensya ng House kanina, may sinasabi
Tapos na. Kanya kayo. Kala nyo ha.
bago si Senator De La Rosa tumulo sa plenary session kanina si Senator Ana Cayetano sabihin na
Let's go.
Senado ay
Bakit niyo pinayagan niyang ako niya makapasok dito?
Si Trililing, nandyan din si Trililing eh. Nagalit niyo si Sen ba to? Sen, ikaw mag-alala. Kami dito sa PH Update, anak ng Tokwa. Hindi na mangyayari yung ginawa nila dito kay Senator, kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa'yo. Nakikita niyo yung Senator Robin Padilla? Nako, yung tingin na yan, makukay sa tingin.
yung undangan mo nagagad si Senator De La Rosa pinayagan din ng tao dito nakabilis ka labanan dito sa pikas
Kaya kayo Sige. Ano na? Ang tanong dito, anong mas mainit ngayon? Balita ko natin meron daw nakuha boto. Ang impeachment dyan sa Kamara de Representante. Ang tanong dito, anong mas papanoorin na sabay ng Pilipino? Impeachment ni BP Sara o yung mga mabubulgar sa Blue Ribbon Committee na pamumunuan ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta? Kanya kayo akala nyo Tapos na. Dito na tayo kay Senator Alan Pitt. Senate. Sorry. SP. Yung sinasabi ko, SP. Wala pa natin to si SP. Yung sinasabi ko, SP. Sinasabi ko. Senator, Senate President.
We are asking Senator Joel to stay on as acting majority leader until a majority caucus is called and until we settle the committee chairmanships. Senator Jingoy Estrada.
Mr. President, thank you, Mr. President.
Yan.
As a duly elected senator of this republic,
Yan.
I am concerned and disturbed by what happened to our colleague, Senator Bato de la Rosa, while he was entering this August chamber. And when he entered this August chamber, according to him, he was wrestled by some members of the National Bureau of Investigation. How can we allow other people to wrestle or even not to let him or preventing him to enter this August chamber? Ano ang ginagawa ng Sergeant at Arms?
Nako, si Baking yung
Bakit
Sergeant
nila
at Arms yan.
pinapayagan ito na gawin ito sa isang senador? Isang halal na senador.
Ayan ba?
Sila,
Yan ba Sergeant at Arms? Mukha pa lang aso na ni Marcos Jr. Yan pala Sergeant. Mukha sira. Yan ba Sergeant at Arms?
tanong ng tanong bakit hindi pumapasok si Senator De La Rosa. Ngayon at pumapasok,
Ayaw mo
pinipigilan na pumasok.
Masira ulo tong mga to
I am so concerned. Kahit siguro miyembro ng majority, minority, basta inabuso ng kahit sino man ang isang halal na senador, pagtatanggol ko rin. Ngayon, gusto ko lang po malaman kung bakit hinaharas ang pagpasok ni Senator De La Rosa dito sa kapulungan na ito. May I know the answer? Maybe we can suspend the rules and ask the Sergeant at Arms what really transpired when Senator De La Rosa was about to enter the Senate.
Si Raulo ka ba, Brad?
Mr. President,
Langya ka.
dear colleagues, I requested the Sergeant at Arms when we were on break before you elected this representation to review the footage of the CCTV. Has it been reviewed? Yeah. So since it has been reviewed, will you be ready to answer what happened? Factually lang. Yeah. Is there any objection to suspend the rules so that we can hear directly from the Sergeant at Arms? He's ready to give a report given that he saw the CCTV footage.
Ano, pumasok sa Senado,
With
di
the
mo alam?
permission of the body,
Wala akong
there's no
kwenta kung ganun.
objection.
Yes, there's no objection.
Yes. The former Senate President. Yes. There was a motion, Mr. Former Senate President, after I inquired with the Sergeant of Arms, he has viewed the CCTV and has saw what happened. So he will just tell us and give us a report if there's no objection.
Well, I have reservations, Mr. President,
Ikaw ba nagutos, Brad? Anak ng toka, ginawa mo kasing bulaga Senado kaya ka tinanggal eh.
because it has never been done
Oo.
in the Senate. We have not suspended the rules while in plenary just to talk to the Sergeant at Arms. We can do it
Huwag kang mag-alala, laging may first time.
after the adjournment.
Ito ang first time. Ito ang first time na nagkaroon ng usap-usapan na matatanggal lang sa isang Senate President. Usually kasi pag merong ugong-ugong, di natutuloy. Ito pala ang first time na merong ugong-ugong pero natuloy.
Why don't we do it the usual way, which is let's adjourn and then conduct a hearing of the Senate and ask the Sergeant at Arms.
Well, two reasons, former Mr. President. Number one, it's also never been done that a senator being prevented to attend and being wrestled. Number two, in the past, we have suspended the rules and asked members of the executive. So actually, I don't think there are going to be interpolations of grilling or if ever it's through me. But I think it's a matter of the survival of the Senate because if we cannot even be assured that we can come to the sessional, I also want to ask the Sergeant of Arms, is it true that there are still agents of the NBI who are in fact still inside the Senate?
Naku.
And what is their business here?
Nako. Yari.
Being here. No?
Yes, that is
With
clear.
go ahead.
Go ahead. I'm
Senator.
sorry, sir.
No, Senator Bato was just raising his hand.
I was
will-
about to say, I don't think it was the Sergeant at Arms who was preventing Senator De La Rosa. It was some elements from
Yes.
another agency, not the
Ang tanong, bakit nga pinapasok ng Sergeant at Arms? Bakit nagbida-bida ang NBI dyan sa Senado?
Sergeant at
I agree,
Arms.
Mr. President. That's why my statement is we will allow him to give a report based on the CCTV that he has examined as our... With your permission, Senator Soto, can we recognize Senator Bato?
Yeah, sure.
Before acting on your reservation.
Right.
Yan.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. President. As of now, Mr. President, Antonio Trillanes and some NBI operatives are still at the library, Mr. President. May I move that the Sergeant at Arms remove these people
Oo.
from the vicinity of the Senate?
Ayan.
Mr. President, dear colleagues, Senator Trillanes, as a former member of the Senate, is welcome in the Senate and will of course be given due courtesy unless he has
He is part of the harassment,
unless
Mr.
he is
President.
part of the harassment. So
Kasama niya.
you gave me that
Siya
answer.
ang nagkuha sa
Yes.
NBI na harangin ako dito.
So
Bakit natin hayaan siya nandito siya?
yes, with that clarification, is there any objection?
Tukan na lang. Tukan. Trililing, anak ko. Trililing. Yari ka pagka
That we
natapos sa
ask,
administrasyon na to.
we will ask the NBI to leave except for the person or people who assaulted you, because in my view, our legal should bring them for inquest because they were caught flagrante delicto assaulting a senator in our premises. Yung nag-assault sa iyo hindi dapat pakawalan. Dapat dalhin sa for inquest, no? Yung kung walang kilalaman na nandito at wala silang official business dito, may motion ang Senator Bato na paalisin sila sa Senate. Is there any objection?
Mr. President,
Yes, Mr. President,
Senator Soto first.
I have no objection to the motion of Senator De La Rosa.
Nako, ba't mo ba kasi pinapunta dito yan? Ha? Para hindi ka matanggal bilang Senate President. Umuti na lang buhok mo. Puro school bukol para nalalaman mo.
As a matter of fact, I will probably support this motion, but parliamentary rules dictate that we settle first the
Yes,
previous
yes,
motion.
yes,
There is a
yes.
pending motion Kaya hindi
Yes.
pwedeng patungan ng lesser
Yes.
motion.
Thank you for the
let's
reminder.
resolve first the motion of Senator
yan.
Igo Estrada
Magaling.
unless he wants to...
Magaling mag-preside pero ang problema, aso lamang ni Marcos Jr. Yun ang problema. Di umano, direkta sila nakinabang sa nakaw na pera galing kickback flood control. Di umano, doon sa kampanya, base dito kay Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Yun ang problema. Di umano yung mga kandidato ng alyansa ng mga magnanakaw nung 2025 election, direkta daw di umanong nakinabang base kay Senator Rodante Marcoleta ng kickback dyan sa mga flood control project. Kaya yan ang problema.
withdraw the motion.
With Senator Pia Cayetano, is it on the same topic or a different topic?
it's a continuation of the removal of the person. So I can wait until
Yes,
this
let's
motion is
act
resolved.
first on that. Senator Estrada, may I ask if you can withdraw because I think mas urgent na umalis na muna yung mga NBI. Then we can have a short huddle with the Sergeant at Arms whether we will ask him to report here officially.
Mr. President,
Yes.
if I may,
Yes.
sana bago sila paalisin, i-identify muna natin yung mga
Exactly.
nagharang sa akin at i-inquest natin.
Yes.
Kapailan natin ang kaso. Bago sila paalisin dito lahat. Dahil para tayong king queen dito.
Yes.
In-assault na tayo dito sa ating opisina. Tapos walang mangyari. Paalisin lang natin.
Oh, yan.
We have to arrest them.
Arrest yan.
Yeah, let me clarify, Senator Bato. That's
Pares yan,
my
Sen.
point
Bato.
a while ago.
Oh.
Papaalisin
Kalma lang, Sen. Bato, kalma lang,
yung
ha?
mga walang kilalaman sa pag-assault sa'yo. And
Correct.
that is not limited to those who threw punches or wrestled you. Meaning, if they are in conspiracy together in trying to prevent you from attending the
I
session,
am sure Trillanes is involved, Mr. President.
then
Andyan siya eh.
then
Kasama sila.
my suggestion is to consult with the legal and to bring them for inquest. No? But before that, I will follow the suggestion of Senator Soto. Can we first dispose or withdraw muna?
Mr. President, I withdraw my previous motion.
So since the motion is withdrawn, Senator Pia.
Yes. I think this is what the Senate President had in mind in any case. Let me just put on record, I think Senator Bato will also welcome this. Before removing anyone who is not involved, we have to determine who is involved and who is not involved. Obviously, I think that's quite obvious, but to be clear with the instructions of the Senate President, everybody here should be dealt with because they are here for a reason. We need to hear from them. They should give their testimony kung bakit sila nandito, sino ang nagpapunta sa kanila dito,
Nako.
ano ang instructions sa kanila, kahit tumayo lang sila dito, we want to know why are they here. So just to be clear, I'm pretty sure that is what the Senate President meant, but perhaps we can instruct our legal team very carefully bago paalisin. Pati yung identification nila, yung official identification nila, baka may mag-missing in action dyan. We just want to be clear
Walang
that
aalis.
everyone who had,
Walang aalis dyan.
who
Huwag
even
nga kayo,
witnessed,
ah.
even if they were just a witness,
Melvin
we
Matibag,
would want
ah.
to have access to them, Mr. President. Thank you.
Let me clarify. No? If the committees themselves can hold indirect or indirect contempt unruly guests, may they be witnesses, may they be our employees or whatsoever, basta't non-members ng Senate, lalo na pwedeng mag-direct or indirect contempt dito sa Senado. But we are dealing with two separate things, whether what they did was contemptuous, and then secondly, whether there was a criminal offense committed within our premises in front of our faces, that gives us the right for an arrest and ask the DOJ for an inquest. That is why I think the Sergeant at Arms took our instructions a while ago not only to view the video but to conduct an immediate investigation.
Iyan.
Maybe we can have a 2-minute suspension and consult with the Sergeant of Arms kung nasaan na yung investigation nila. Before we ask anyone to leave the Senate. Tama si Senator Bato at Senator Pia. Baka palisin natin pero baka naman sila yung dapat arestuhin. No? We'll
Arestuhin yung
suspend
mga-
for 1 minute.
Yung,
Upon conferring with the people who had the floor, the honorable senators and Senator Soto, I'm hereby directing the Sergeant at Arms to complete his investigation, to continue to talk to the NBI and to former Senator Trillanes, and give us a written report within the next 30 to 45 minutes. For the information, the initial report of the Sergeant of Arms is that the NBI is claiming that they're here to arrest Senator Bato, but they do not have an arrest warrant. Okay.
lakas. Hoy, Melvin Matibag, nasisira ka naman ng ulo, ha? Nung nga kayo, paano kayo mag-a-arrest kung walang warrant to pa rin? Bangag talaga.
That is why it is critical that either the Sergeant at Arms or the report or a written report. No? So, but he will complete his report by talking to them now. Senator Jinggoy.
Mr. President, do you mean to tell me that the NBI were here to arrest Senator De La Rosa without the benefit of any warrant of arrest?
Yes. So far, I do not want to talk in a partial investigation, but so far there is no information that the NBI informed the Senate, which by tradition, no law enforcement agency has ever come to the Senate in secret to effect an arrest. Usually they have an arrest warrant and they coordinate with the office of the Senate President, and the Senate President calls a caucus to get the details. No? But if there's no objection, I will recognize Senator Soto, but if there's no objection, I will just direct and allow the Sergeant of Arms to conduct the investigation. Is that okay?
Mr. President,
Yung mga nang-aaresto, sila na-aresto.
may I suggest that we just
Kinakabahan tong si,
follow
ano,
your instructions and
Tuta,
then
oh.
go into a suspension because of some vital information that
Yes.
we're discussing, which might be detrimental to
Prejudicial.
the records of the Senate later
Yes.
on.
Yes. So that was the
in the meantime-
initial verbal report of the Sergeant at Arms. But
Kailangan malaman yun. Tuta Soto, manahimik ka. Kailangan malaman na sa bayan ng Pilipino na may nagpapasok, alam ng pamunuan ng Senado na papapasukin yung mga taga-NBI para arestuhin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Kailangan malaman yung mga detalye.
wait for the
Nga ka, ha?
official full-length report that we're giving him 20, 30, 40 minutes to finish. But please do that, General, so that we will know our actions. In the meantime, they are not
Rapalpak si
allowed
General.
to leave the Senate. No? Senator Marcoleta.
Ayan, Sen.
Mr.
Marcoleta.
President.
Nako, yan na.
What happened to Senator Bato this afternoon does not only concern him. Most importantly, this concerns the very institution where he belongs.
Marcelo na
It is
tayo.
not only a disrespect to an incumbent and sitting senator of the Republic, but this is an act ridiculing this institution. Hindi po simpleng bagay yun, Mr. President. Kahit na po sinasabi natin na wala namang complaint or charges against him, wala namang bakit sila mag-aaresto, that's another point, Mr. Speaker. Yun lamang po napigilan siya, na pumasok siya para gampanan ang tungkulin niya. They already violated at least Article 145 of the Revised Penal Code. Marami po ang implication nito. Mr. President, kamakailan lang, kagaya po ng alam ninyo, na ipasa po natin ang Senate Resolution number 44, which was adopted on March 17, 2026. Dito po sa resolution na ito, Mr. President, dahil ito'y kamakailan lang, alam po natin na ang sense po ng Senate ay na-express sa pamagitan ng mga sumusunod. Una, due process and rule of law must be upheld in any surrender or extradition. Kasi po, nangangamba tayo na isusunod na naman si Senator Bato sa ginawa nila sa dating Pangulo. Filipinos not formally charged or convicted have the right to due process and will be guaranteed reasonable time and opportunity to seek redress from the courts and avail of any legal remedies available to them before any transfer to foreign or international authorities. Ito pa po yung isa. Sa sense ng Resolution number 44, while not legally binding, the resolution reflects the Senate's position against extrajudicial rendition and may be invoked to resist any attempt to arrest or surrender a sitting senator without due process. Ito po'y in-adapt natin, Mr. President. And there is a relevant precedent. Halimbawa po, yung binanggit kanina, former Senator Trillanes, noong 2018, Mr. President.
Nagtago siya sa Senado.
Former Senator Antonio Trillanes avoided arrest by submitting to Senate custody
Yeah, nagtago siya sa Senado.
after his amnesty was
Ganon katrililing niya si Trililing. Nung siya nagtago siya sa Senado, si Senator Bato wala pang warrant of arrest, gusto niya arestuhin na siya
was
kagad.
voided. Ang sabi pa nga po noon ni dating the former President of the Senate, our friend Vicente Soto III, maintained that no senator would be arrested within Senate premises to preserve the institution's dignity.
Yan.
Salita po nito ng ating colleague, Mr.
Pero pinapasok niya NBI ngayon.
President.
Lang yung toto.
The Trillanes precedent shows that the Senate can refuse to allow any arrest within Senate premises even for a non-bailable offense, Mr. President. Senate Resolution number 44 strengthened this position. While not legally binding, it expresses the Senate's official stand on this matter. Filipinos must be protected from extrajudicial rendition. They must be given reasonable time to seek legal remedies before any surrender or extradition. Due process must be strictly observed. This gives the Senate, Mr. President, a policy basis to resist any attempt to arrest or surrender Senator Bato to international authorities without due process. Even if offense is non-bailable, Senator Bato is still or should he still be protected as long as he remains inside the Senate? Because, number one, Senate can assert custody over him as it did with Trillanes. Number two, Senate can refuse any entry to arresting officers. And number three, Resolution number 44 provides political and procedural justification to delay or prevent arrest or surrender to international authorities. Mr. President, the arrest cannot be executed inside the Senate, and the senator can seek judicial remedies while under Senate custody. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yo, saludo, Sentante, ah. Thank
Your
you.
manifestation is well taken and noted. I will restate that any government entity or any body, even judicial and quasi-judicial legislative bodies, their existence, of course, is always a priority. And when you have a collegial body like the House or the Senate, its members are given not only rights and responsibilities, but also privileges. That's why there is also immunity against suit, because if you look at history, when the kings and queens in Europe allowed parliament to meet, they would kidnap or stop or arrest members of parliament from going to parliament if they think that parliament will be acting contrary to their wishes or interests. And that's primarily the reason why, although we opted for the presidential form of government, it is the immunities is still found in our Constitution. Having said that, there are also a list of criminal offenses, including preventing a legislative body from meeting. There are also a list of criminal offenses, for example, an assault on a person of authority. But it is really unprecedented for a senator to experience this within our premises. Having said that, I think it is prudent, as Senator Soto said, let us complete the investigation, get all the facts. But I do that in that manner, we'll be able to act accordingly. But it is not also prudent to just dismiss them and for them to leave. No, that's why I'm asking also the Secretariat and the Committee on Rules to start thinking about drafting a letter, if not a subpoena, to the NBI director,
Nako.
so that it will be on the record who sent these agents and what were their primary objectives, or under what authority were they acting and what was their mission. No? We will suspend and let's confer with each other, and then we will give the Sergeant of Arms a few minutes. I've also asked my head of Legis, Attorney Sara, to accompany them to find out what really was their objectives. Senator Marcoleta, do you wish that your speech your manifestation be referred to a certain committee?
Yes, Mr. President. But aside from that, I'd like to say that newspaper accounts has it that the CIDG issued a subpoena to Senator Bato on issues of extrajudicial killing. Mr. President, if that is a fact, then an impending case, a domestic case, is yet to be lodged against the senator. And therefore, with much reason, that the ICC cannot do anything because the case is already actively being pursued domestically, meaning to say it is within the ambit of our local jurisdiction. And considering that the ICC's core framework rests on the principle of complementarity, it is with much reason that the ICC has nothing